Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit text on website with Inspect Element. All right, so let's begin with the video. To edit the text of a website using Inspect Element, you can manually change what appears on a page directly from your browser. First, go to the website where you want to modify the text. Once the page is open, right-click anywhere on it and select Inspect from the menu. This will open the Developer Tools panel. Next, click on the small arrow icon located in the top left corner of that panel, which allows you to select elements on the page. Then, click on the specific text you want to change. After selecting it, look for the highlighted section in the code and click the drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see the actual text within the HTML. From there, you can double-click on the text and edit it however you like. As you type, you'll notice the changes happening instantly on the page. Once you're done, simply click anywhere outside that section to apply the change. The updated text will now appear on the website, but keep in mind that this change is only visible on your own screen and does not affect the actual live website. And that's it. So that's basically how you can edit text on website with Inspect Element. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.